What's going on, guys? My name is Mason from Pranked Films. Today we're going to be doing a 2-minute tutorial on how to edit HLG in Adobe Premiere 2020. Okay, so the most important thing is go ahead and File, go to Import, import your clip. All right, so once you have your clip, go ahead and put in the timeline. This is what the clip will look like before. So go ahead, once you have your clip imported, you can go ahead to import your LUT if you want to import your LUT. But the most important part about editing HLG is making sure that the colors are corrected. It's automatically, go ahead and put that Rec 709 LUT inside there. Once you do that, go ahead and adjust the settings over here in basic corrections. You get your contrast, adjust the highlights, shadows if you want. And once you do that, go ahead and go back over here, right click, new item, adjustment layer. Once you put the adjustment layer, make sure it is put in there. Boom, right here, stretch it out just a little bit. All right, and then once you go over there, type in crop in your top bar right here, drag crop, put it right here. Then you're gonna go to effect controls on your top left corner. On the top, go to 10. All right, import that, your bottom, you're gonna put 10 also. And this is what your footage will look like after you do all of this. All right, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm gonna try to be doing more videos like this all the time to give you guys the best tutorials. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.